Sing Federation of Khasi Janja and Garo People, North Khasi Hills District, Mandakasi Kalalit Manbu Sandan Dakador Khas, Shau Deputy Commissioner Garibhoy District, Halor Gajing Bamat Daki Khynnah Skul Jnv Ñiangbari, Hadin Bagaseng Kalalit Jurip Batlap Hi Dalaki Jong Kikmat, Yagajing Bajing Janjar Bamat Daki Khynnah Skul, Hakabana Kalyang Kaseng Kalabasu Langru, Yagajing Ujor Shi Udisi, Balathok Batsoy Hi Daki Khynnah Skul, Bala IT Shagir Khot Kaseng. Kumban Shupen Pau Bakaseng Fkjgp Kalalet Banjurip Hi Katiga Skul, Haka Arpo Hendu Tarik Menta Ubanai, Hadin Kajung Ujor na Khynnah Skul Bat Kikmi Kikpa, Hadin Bakila Donru Khynnah Kiba Kempang na Kajing Di Yaka Jabo, Kabakatiga Skul Ka Ai Bat Penbiang Shiki Khynnah, Ban Sumban Sait Bat Bandi, Bat Kumjuru Kijing Ujor Halor Kabam Kadi Kabalas New, Kabaki Khynnah Kiyo na Katiga Shlempule Jong Kasorkar. Habakren Shikilat Patai Kubor na Kalyang Uba Ricky Majau, Information Secretary Kaseng, Ulaong bahadin ke jinglet ya kendo ya udisi karibhoy na kalyang udisi ula kular ban shimkhya ya katega kam hakba ula pentibru ba ula dat ban pha penlong da ka jing tokiet haki magister bat udang abru ya ka Kaiphod na katanat PHE bat food inspector halor katega jing jakhlia ka bagi Khynnah Skul ki hap bandi bat kiwe ki jing bamat daki Khynnah Skul.
Adin bagi lawan jurip katega arfundir tarik ya ke Skul Jnv Ñiangbari. Tim tasi layo ban phak ru ke jingtho sa Deputy Commissioner baderu chairman jo ketik skul ba ula kular yangi hapo stio ban ule jindon kam ban penbiang swa ya kita jintuna ibala la face lagi Khynnah Skul mo te yang mentah yu ong ba unsasim initiative bede bukan ya unsasim jigi kle usali kendu usali surprise visit yang ketika skul bat ong ba unsapha ru ya kita ki food inspector but nak liang ke PHE department ban pej ya ka abai dia kumbam di ketika skul dia udisi ulai ke assurance ru ong ba unsale ide ki khmat lajong ba baru kita jinun kam di Khynnah Skul ansa penbiangsan kita ki jingkular jong disi hadin bing lai kendo.
Regarding a news item in which there were several issues that were highlighted from JNV, mostly regarding the hygiene issues of water and food. Immediately after that, we have sent a magistrate there, and magistrate has conducted inspection along with the officials from PHE department and with the food safety inspector also. So we have received the reports also regarding this thing. Today also we had a meeting with the PHE executive engineer from the office side and with the food safety inspector also. Tomorrow senior officials from the food safety department will also come, and we are looking at all the possibilities on how to take up forward, how to resolve these issues which are mostly regarding the health and sanitation issues. So realizing the importance of that there has to be a conducive environment, and these are the basic necessities, and all the necessary steps will be taken to ensure that these issues which are being highlighted are taken care of, and that the students are able to we are able to provide students a good, hygienic, clean, safe drinking water, so that it is essentially very essential, very important, and we are taking up at the maximum possible level. So that has been done from our side so far. The infrastructure issues that are highlighted, the condition in the report, I have not received the report officially so far from the magistrate, but the prima facie, as per the photographs and all, the condition as has been reported, it is quite bad, and this kind of a condition cannot be tolerated at all. So like I have told you regarding other issues also, similarly here also, that these issues will be taken care of very seriously, and we are just waiting for 2-3 days. Within 2-3 days you will see some action once the reports are there and other departments are also in a position to give a report. We are waiting for mostly basically from the executive engineer of PHE Mawphor division, that what are the options in which we can provide water in a much better and safe manner.